can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Avalanche. Avalanche is down 10% over the last 24 hours. It's down 17% over the last 1 week. Fear has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. Dodgy losses across the board over the last 1 week in the altcoin market. Avalanche trades around $28. In this video, we look at Avalanche performance against the US dollar. Are we going to pump to all-time highs anytime soon? Is the cycle over, as many market participants are saying? Or should we be buying the dip, getting ready for that epic end of cycle pump? Also look at Avalanche performance against Ethereum. Look at Avalanche market cap, which sits around the $11.9 billion level. Is there still a chance we can rally to as high as $32 billion? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Huge losses in the altcoin market for the last 1 week. We've seen huge liquidations over the last 1 week in the altcoin market, with altcoins dumping front, left, and center. The sentiment is it's all over. The sentiment is the cycle has stopped. And that's why fears in the cryptocurrency market right now. We've seen the cryptocurrency market go from greed on the 14th of August 2025 towards fear right now on the 26th of September 2025. And in the coming days and the coming weeks, maybe we see extreme fear. But one thing is sure, guys, we're here to play the liquidity game. We're here to buy as low as possible, and we're here to sell as high as possible. The mantra is to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Avalanche 24-hour volume is $1.52 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $20 billion. Market cap sits at $11.9 billion. The all-time high for Avalanche happened on the 21st of November 2021. That was 4 years ago. We saw Avalanche trading for as high as $146. Right now, it's down 80% from that all-time highs. If you look at Avalanche performance against the US dollar, to me, there's still room to run. We've seen Avalanche get to as high as $65 in March of 2024. We saw it get to as high as $54 in December of 2024. And if the cycle is over, as some money market participants are saying, it means the highest we got to in September of 2025 was around the $35 level. Is that the end of the cycle? Are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town? I believe not. I don't believe we'll start dumping to Goblin Town, guys. Historically, that final phase of the market cycle when market participants are giving up, when they think it's all over, that's when you want to pay attention to the chart, because that's where most of the gains are made. I've never seen the market dumping and that's the end of the market. So it's either the top is already in and we all miss the top as a collective, or the market is tricking a lot of market participants to sell at the very wrong time before we go on that parabolic run to the moon. Volatility is the future in the altcoin market. It's not a bug. Right now, Avalanche is just down 20% from the recent high that we set on the 15th of September. That is nothing to write home about. If you look at Avalanche preferred price history, we've seen crazy dumps. We've seen a 76% dump to Goblin Town in the past. We've seen huge crazy dumps before Avalanche pulled out big epic moves to the upside. 84% to dump to the downside. And after those huge dumps the Avalanche did in the past, what happened? We saw it pumping to the moon. So I don't think this time is different. I believe we're going to pump to the moon at some point in time, the nearest future. We saw Avalanche ending the previous market cycle with the 1,300% move to the upside, and before that 1,300% move to the upside, we saw it pulling a 1,900% move also to the upside. Now I'm not expecting crazy end of cycle moves, but I don't think, guys, the cycle is ending muted like this. In this cycle already, we have seen Avalanche pull up a 600% move to the upside. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I will not be shocked to see Avalanche reverse on a lot of market participants and even set new cycle highs, going to higher prices not seen since 2022. I'm not going to be shocked if we get to as high as $100 and get rejected there. The $100 level might prove to be very difficult. The $100 level might prove to be a hard nut to crack. But from where we're currently trading right now, Avalanche could easily pull off that $100 move. We just need to see Avalanche pump by more than 261%. I know how volatile these altcoins can be. You never want to say never. If you want to buy some Avalanche for yourself, guys, you can buy some Avalanche on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Avalanche tokens right there. Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for centralized application and custom blockchain network. It's one of Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. And with fear in the cryptocurrency market, historically that's always been a good time to buy. If all you did in the market was just buy when there was fear in the market and sell when greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, you will be singing kumbaya as your portfolio will be getting to all-time highs. But don't get carried away, guys. The final phase of the market cycle sees a lot of irrational behavior because a lot of market participants have messed up this whole cycle and they'll start going all in. There'll be a lot of FOMO. This time is different. This is your last chance to buy. We're going to the moon. We'll never dump to Goblin Town. You're going to hear the craziest price predictions when greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. You're going to hear outrageous price targets. But remember, every dump leads to a pump, and every pump leads to a dump, and the pump doesn't last forever, the same way the dump doesn't last forever. And that key signal to watch out for to confirm that the top is in is when we see Avalanche outperforming Ethereum, outperforming Bitcoin. We have seen it in the past. I don't think this time is different. We have seen Avalanche have those crazy pop-ups to the moon against Ethereum. We have seen it rally up by more than 700% here. The cycle was ending in 2021. We saw it also pumping against Ethereum again. This time around, we saw it pumping 576%. And even in 2022, we saw Avalanche giving us one run against Ethereum, and that run took Avalanche up by around 289%. I don't think the cycle is over. I believe smart players will be flipping their Ethereum, their Bitcoin, and all their gains into the altcoin market, trying to get those final moves to the upside. And those final moves are always juicy. Those final moves are always crazy. Don't be shocked to see Avalanche outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin by more than 200% over the next few days and the next few weeks. Again, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. Remember, the good times in the cryptocurrency market, they don't last forever. The bear market is guaranteed to come at some point in time in the nearest future. If you look at Avalanche market cap, we've gotten to as high as $23 billion in March of 2024. In December of 2024, we could only get to as high as the $2.2 billion region. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, I would expect to see Avalanche rallying aggressively to the moon. $23.2 billion level. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect Avalanche market cap to rally to the moon. I expect Avalanche market cap to get to as high as $32 billion from where we're currently trading. That will see Avalanche market cap rallying by more than 172%. Remember, guys, all these pumps can happen very quickly. The final phase of the market cycle is where we see those crazy end of cycle pumps. That's when market participants go crazy. That's when a lot of people try to make up for all their bad behaviors through the cycle. Don't get carried away. If you want to buy some Avalanche, you can buy some, but also have an exit plan. You want to plan your trade, you want to trade your plan. If you look at Bitcoin dominance is showing some signs of weakness. I'm a big believer in Bitcoin dominance dumping at the end of the final phase of the market cycle. And right now, I believe we're very close to the end than we are to the beginning. So Bitcoin dominance dumping in the coming days and the coming weeks will be a confirmation that all coins should be pumping. It will be a confirmation that Avalanche is ready to be sent to the moon. And also, it will be a confirmation that we're heading towards altcoin season. The famous altcoin season index showed us that we're in altcoin season for quite a while. Over the last 2 weeks, we saw us entering towards altcoin season for some few days. But right now, we're not in altcoin season, even though a lot of altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, watch out for altcoin season index when we flash towards altcoin season. Historically, if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is altcoin season. And usually the cycle ends when we're in altcoin season. When altcoins are performing Bitcoin, the game is over. A dump to Goblin Town is around the corner. Guys, drop it us in the comment section. Avalanche trades around $28, market cap over $11.9 billion. Are you buying more Avalanche token right now? Are you buying the dip? If you are buying the dip, how high do you see Avalanche going before the end of the cycle? When will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.